In the world of vehicle ownership, unexpected repairs can quickly become a financial burden. With the right approach to maintenance and care, many costly repair issues can be avoided altogether. Whether you're a seasoned car owner or new to the game, implementing preventive measures can save you time and money down the road. In this guide, we'll explore 15 tips for avoiding costly repairs, helping you keep your vehicle running smoothly and your wallet happy. 15 tips for avoiding costly repairs. Number 1. Regular maintenance. Schedule routine maintenance checks according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Neglecting basic maintenance tasks such as oil changes, fluid top-ups, and filter replacements can lead to premature wear and costly repairs. Number 2. Monitor fluid levels. Keep an eye on essential fluids such as engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Running low on fluids or using old, degraded fluids can cause damage to various vehicle systems. Number 3. Inspect belts and hoses. Check for signs of wear or damage on belts and hoses regularly. Cracked or worn-out belts and hoses can lead to engine overheating, loss of power steering, or other critical failures if not replaced promptly. Number 4. Check tire pressure. Maintain proper tire pressure according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Underinflated or overinflated tires can affect fuel efficiency, tire wear, and vehicle handling, potentially leading to costly repairs or accidents. Number 5. Rotate tires regularly. Rotate your tires at recommended intervals to ensure even tread wear. Uneven tire wear can affect vehicle stability, alignment, and braking performance, resulting in premature tire replacement or suspension repairs. Number 6. Drive smoothly. Avoid aggressive driving behaviors such as sudden acceleration, hard braking, and rapid cornering. These habits can put extra stress on your vehicle's components, leading to increased wear and potential breakdowns. Number 7. Use quality fuel. Choose high-quality fuel from reputable gas stations to prevent fuel system issues and engine damage. Poor quality fuel or contaminated fuel can cause engine knocking, fuel injector clogs, and other problems that may require costly repairs. Number 8. Respond to warning signs promptly. Don't ignore warning signs such as unusual noises, dashboard warning lights, or changes in vehicle performance. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent minor problems from escalating into major repair issues. Number 9. Protect your paintwork. Regularly wash and wax your vehicle to protect the paintwork from corrosion, rust, and environmental damage. Neglecting to maintain your vehicle's exterior can lead to costly paint repairs or rust removal down the line. Number 10. Park in sheltered areas. Whenever possible, park your vehicle in a garage or covered parking space to protect it from harsh weather conditions, potential vandalism, or theft. Number 11. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maximum load capacity and avoid overloading your vehicle with excess weight. Overloading can strain suspension components, brakes, and drivetrain components, leading to premature wear and potential failures. Number 12. Drive safely in extreme conditions. Exercise caution when driving in extreme weather conditions such as heavy rain, snow, or extreme heat. Poor driving conditions can increase the risk of accidents, damage to your vehicle, and costly repairs. Number 13. Plan ahead for long trips. Before embarking on long road trips, perform a thorough vehicle inspection to check for any potential issues. Being proactive can help prevent breakdowns and unexpected repair expenses while on the road. Number 14. Invest in quality parts and repairs. When replacing parts or scheduling repairs, opt for high-quality parts and reputable repair shops. While it may seem more expensive upfront, quality parts can save you money in the long run by reducing the likelihood of future issues. Number 15. Stay informed and educated. Stay up to date on vehicle maintenance best practices and safety tips. Being informed can help you make wise decisions to avoid costly repairs and keep your vehicle in top condition. By following these 15 tips for avoiding costly repairs, you can take proactive steps to protect your vehicle and your finances. Remember, preventive maintenance is key to minimizing repair expenses and ensuring your vehicle remains reliable and safe for years to come. By addressing issues promptly, you can enjoy worry-free driving and avoid headaches associated with unexpected repair bills. We hope you enjoyed these tips and we'll see you in the next video.